Hello everyone, welcome to another video. On this video, I'm going to talk about how to configure Gradle in Mac OS. I'm going to use version 7.3.3 and please subscribe my channel if you haven't already. Right, on this demo I'm going to, as I said that on this demo I'm going to use 7.3.3 and that is a version released on December 2021. Okay, let's open a browser and enter Gradle download, and you will see an installation link from the Gradle. And before we go there, I would like to show you whether we have an existing Gradle version on it. It's that Gradle -v. It is say that command is not found. Now let's go to the installation guide, and if you go up here, there is a two ways you can install. One is using the brew install Gradle, that is a one-line command, or you can install manually. Right, brew install Gradle. That's if you have a homebrew installed on your Mac machines, you can install that by straight up executing this. If you don't have the homebrew installed, I will show you where is the link. I don't have any video for that, but in case if you're confusing it, this is a link, you can follow it to install homebrew. But for this demo, I'm going to install manually. Right, go click on here and download the complete version. It's going to be downloaded in a zip format. Okay, almost done. Just stay tuned. Okay, so once you download it, open a folder, double click that or extract that for zip file, and then you will see an extracted version. It's in a folder. It's going to show up in a second. Okay, now you see there is a version has been extracted. It is Gradle 7.3.3, and I'm going to manually copy this to another folder. Okay, so I'm going to keep it on my apps folder. This is where mostly I do keep everything on it. I don't. So notice that some people keep it on different folders, but this is the path I follow it. I'll have a project folder and apps. Okay, now we have to open sudo vi bash profile. You need to enter your sudo password. Once you enter the sudo password, you will be able to see like this. I'm going to now we need to make minor config or minor updates on the bash profile. What you have to do is forget about looking at the types. Look at the description below to see these commands. Gradle home, and I need to get the path all the way to this. I need to get a path all the way to this one. This Gradle 7.3.3, and the way I use it, I just drag that into another terminal. If you do Command T on Mac, you'll be able to see it. Copy that and then paste. So that is the Gradle home. It is just saying that where is your Gradle is Gradle, the whole folder is available. Now you need to put an export path. You need to update Gradle home to the existing path. So this will add it to append the path with the Gradle home and bin. Make sure over here you will be using a bin. Right, I'll just put a comment up here saying that Gradle configuration. So on bash profile, the hash symbol starts with the comments. I'm going to save this. Everybody knows that you do WQ. Okay, so before we go there, and then it's the path. Just put that Gradle home bin. Now I'm going to save this WQ colon WQ. I'm going to try this Gradle -v. It won't work. Why? You need to restart the terminal. sometimes make sure that if you don't restart a terminal, and then it maybe don't pick up the latest changes on the bash profile. I do Gradle minus version. I see. Okay, so I think previously I was trying Gradle minus v. Let's try Gradle minus v2. So both cases it will comes up, and you can see the version what we installed is 7.3.3, and you can see all other details about our installation. It's from Apache and JVM, what version of JVM it used, and 7.3.3 is what it's we configured right now. That's it. Let me know if you have any specific question. I can answer it on the comment sections. Please do subscribe my channel if you haven't already, and thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.